Hello, everybody. Thanks for checking out this video. This discussion is about some of the conflicts and compromises that resulted in the structure of the U.S. government's legislative branch. There will be additional information about the proposed structures of the executive and judicial branches of the various plans available to you in class. Now, just as with the Articles of Confederation, delegates came to the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia from different regions of the country, and therefore they had different motives, objectives, and visions of how the government should operate. There were two major plans that developed at the Philadelphia Convention on how the new legislature would be set up. The first plan we are going to examine is the Virginia Plan, which was presented by Edmund Randolph. The Virginia Plan was written by a delegate from a big state, Virginia, and thus, under the Virginia Plan, states with a lot of people would have the most power. The other plan we are going to discuss is William Patterson's New Jersey Plan. That plan was written by someone from a small state, and so was more beneficial to states with smaller populations. Let's take a look at what they had in common. First, both the Virginia and New Jersey plan gave the legislative branch the powers that the Congress had under the Articles of Confederation. In addition, both of these plans called for a federal executive picked by Congress and included a judiciary. Despite the similarities, there were several important differences. First, the Virginia plan called for a bicameral legislature, which means a legislature with two houses. And representation in that legislature would be based on population. That's why states with a lot of people favor the Virginia plan, because under the Virginia plan, they would have more representatives. The New Jersey plan, on the other hand, called for each state to be represented equally in a one house legislature. In government speak, a one house legislature is called unicameral, hence the reason that small states like the New Jersey plan. So, now after watching this video, you should be able to talk about the differences between the Virginia plan and the New Jersey plan. Which states like the Virginia plan, big states or small states, and why? Thanks for watching. Now, what do lawyers wear to court? The answer to that, lawsuits. They wear lawsuits to court.